everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, meet the all-new 2025 Jeep Motorhome, where rugged Jeep DNA meets the comfort and convenience of home on wheels. If you've ever dreamed of taking the road less traveled without sacrificing luxury, this might be your dream machine. Starting with the design, this isn't your average RV. The 2025 Jeep Motorhome blends the iconic Jeep grille and trail-rated bodywork with an extended, aerodynamic cabin. It rides on 35-inch all-terrain tires, has 12 inches of ground clearance, and features a full-time 4x4 system with Jeep Select-Terrain traction control. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious. Jeep has managed to pack a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a convertible dining and sleeping area, and even a wet bath, all within a smart, modular layout. High-quality materials, solar panels, and off-grid water systems make it truly self-sufficient. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.0L turbocharged V6 hybrid engine, delivering 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. That means it can climb, crawl, and cruise with ease, even with the added weight of the motorhome build. The regenerative braking system also helps recharge the battery on the go. Tech-wise, it's loaded. A 12.3-inch touchscreen with built-in navigation, over-the-air updates, and compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Plus, advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree off-road camera system. What sets it apart? It's the first factory-built motorhome from Jeep designed to go deep into the wild, and stay there in comfort. Whether you're hitting Moab or cruising the coast, this is adventure redefined. The 2025 Jeep Motorhome, where capability meets comfort, and every road leads to home.